أيها السادة والسيدات، نحييكم من تلفزيون ولاية الوادي الغربي. والآن نحن في ضيافة سيد مفوض رئيس مفوضية الإكس في ولاية في جنوب السودان عامة، ونحن سعيدين. هو السيد فواز فواز. نحن سعيدين السيد فواز سيد مفوض مفوضية الإكس في جنوب السودان. وأهلا وسهلا في بلد القومي.
Thank you very much, Yasser Paul, Internet. First of all, let me introduce myself properly. My name is Dr. Justin Kawat Kawat. I'm a specialist in emergency and critical care medicine. I'm currently the chairperson of HIV/AIDS Commission. It is a blessing to be in a win at the beautiful town of Gogmachar. We were there for 4 days. It was wonderful meeting people, and we had a very productive 6 days. Of the 4 days. So we had the first 2 days and the second 2 days. Wonderful.
سيد جاسم، هنا المساعدة يعني الغرض من الزيارة لولاية الوادي.
So the mission for us coming to Awil is we did a workshop on sensitization on access to justice for women and girls and generally people living with HIV/AIDS plus other key vulnerable population. So kan kububan loy kan do itong monjang o kawan o gawo nong pie ni kawan pie kan ako won te ganyo to mut kamada te dia ke gro ate buban pie o jala ko twan ko don ko won tika ba ate buban pie en kan hagden yende ne muje ganun no taban ki o kan pie. The reason we do this, I'll first explain in English and then I'll explain it in English. The reason we do this, said Yasser, HIV/AIDS was first discovered in 1983. The first diagnosis of HIV/AIDS. Over those many years, there has been a lot of advancement. The peak of infection for HIV/AIDS was in 1996, where over 3.4 million people were diagnosed in 1 year. Those 3.4 million people, the peak of the death was in 2004. Those people got infected in 1996, died in 2004. But there has been a lot of changes in terms of initially, we were focusing on prevention, and now we've introduced other aspects. We're still doing prevention, we've introduced other aspects of fighting this HIV as a global challenge. In the modern era, and we're also adapting this in South Sudan, we've realized that HIV is not just a medical problem. It has other aspects to it also. Justice and human rights, these are related. Because when our people are denied justice, when people are denied basic human rights, whether it is through harmful cultural practices, whether it's through the fact that you're a woman and you're a girl, when you are subjected to gender-based violence, those people have a high risk of getting HIV/AIDS. So because of that, we've decided that in addition to prevention, treatment, testing, we also need to make sure that nobody is left behind in terms of their rights as human beings, as citizens of South Sudan. So kaya alwel wo kawan to ni komti ni tol virus HIV kan men jogger rotin non den ke miskla sharp ati ko no ko jo ati no ka pe ko zaman po yaro lo et ko ndi ke ko goy ko kuch bulo kada ko jala cham lakin kun ma birun bi ke la te kun ma bi o ge de la pat te bi o lew te len ngen tongken kun ye lo ku bu ko ya gel san bu twan bi ci yo ta ci yo ko ngom no min ran gën ci ara non ci ngi ben ko ñu ci am lakin fi kam ci o gal ben gën kam ci ko ñu dal de tap ci da bu tor ka da kayena ka ci atar ko tunga wangodo tarkin katera ngut prevention gel rot wangodo ko fi ko roti kada in terms of bayan yechak in terms of bororati bayan well mapped out and it's called the global 2030 vision. So the plan is to make sure that by the year 2030 we've either eliminated this disease or we've made it harmless to live among us, just like flu, just like malaria, just like any other small diseases. So this is our first plan. The world has progressed very well in terms of fighting this, but in South Sudan we still have a lot of work to do, and we've already started this one. The plan is this: number one, first thing we need to do, there are children over 500,000 children in South Sudan were born last year with the disease. Children being born with HIV/AIDS. This is something the rest of the world has to stop. It should not happen. No child should be born with this disease. The plan is to make sure that every pregnant woman is tested, and anyone that is found positive to be enrolled in the program, and the medication to be taken properly. So this medicine, the medicines for HIV are very advanced nowadays. It is possible nowadays for someone to be treated properly. We suppress the virus just by taking one pill a day. You suppress the virus to the level whereby even you become negative. If you go to the hospital, they test you, they will think you are negative. But that's because you are taking the virus at home. The moment you are negative, this is what we call undetectable level of the virus. At that time, you cannot infect anybody else. You are enrolled in the program, you are taking your medicine, you cannot infect anybody, you can get married normally, or a pregnant woman who was found positive can give birth to a normal child because they are taking medicine. So we test 97% of all South Sudanese, and we identify those ones that are positive. We enroll them in the program, and we start their treatment, and they become undetectable. Who will be infecting people? Taban kichi usas yasir teja ne kole ngui angu kan muchak loy muchak kut biwe tor ke tonget. Taban tonget che tangdarot o ga juzu men pinnum ben ko pinnum anong lungden ke chigot bi ke tor ke tonget ne chibela ene ke kalo ke global vision 2030 whereby chi pinnum lela chronic AIDS ke HIV ke lazim buket bidyang nognin by 2030. Na chuglo buglo eliminated ka buglo be a twan won tiran be nok del twin wo group sudan de priorities kwa etong twen ku me tiken man ben je ke twan bu mi gel ka bu ke chug ben je ke twan to te kwa ting le te tem ya tem go bu twan din from the beginning te tem go routine bi ko won ke twan bu ke ting liké ke lu ke enroll system won bi ke wala dek ko tam ngam ñet pat mu da zaman de liké kin ka nin ka zbo ken lik ka dek wal ka twañ abli abu kure go ba pay abu kur to the level whereby na choga yin tam za to ka yuk ke ci dili wona twañ lakin e wedde ndegen wal so na ci twañ ci ñin kure pay ka kule be diet la ka diet me ka kin ka me ka kin ko kana dal to kana bi terin ronwa ti gal kana actor men met 500,000 ti diet ke twañ which is ci pol pin liw kin man e ban diet ke HIV. So the law of improvement the testing system that met ko to zarasa kan to ban the draw human beings are to kwara ku bugla ba kuma resources buka juang min tin melade ko tembu bu ko tem ben ku tun ko won ke twan ku take system daf sal ku lu dia le ke bu lu kwara ben bu twan dia kur tin ko tin ya level won tin lew baran ban dia bare ni mustawa ci ku to kan dot in ci dot ni woni o gi lay loy naman bi tin de ira de ban dia so kana ku lok let's say about to say mia as a plan with a global vision the lew ga dot ke ngabran ngek ban aliap so kana in plan da ite yu ku ting ite bi o kanyen bi ko la tong tong ku bukangam ada tuan to kam ko a chu gam ko to kam ko ko gam tangde ku tong ku nim ke mashaki ko to junub sudan den bu blue align so we need to align commission gane nan jadi tin lakin tong ter ko ke kom gane ke ken yam kinen ke yakim until like tor ke tongen jala complication ke 28 na jala la mo fodi yo since pendit kutong twen okuba kocha ko ke kia be ke ni ko ban mai ko ba ke ban det ko ke ban ko di ku lo ke energize ku bu wer bin bu stakeholders ko jon ke lu ko man zamat ko hakuma ko salatin jala ko bay bu ke ban de ka da wo lo ay ci ban jok you know ko ben ko motivation ben ko jadnyal kayan ina awul luan gitin ko ben ko machar ko ina awul topic ta panjin ko ben pie del ko lo bu tor ke tan so kan anan ko tila ita to yuro anan ko tila figo ko ga bru jala wa burjal tekting ja le muda sinin ke bentwe ngol kay ke botwe lan ma bi wok vision dan ga kiblo la ka lazim glo by 2030 bi wok lo achi
سيد الرئيس يلا نحن يمكن شاهدنا جيتات انت جيت ومشيت ضغط. طيب في داخل الولايه الشيء المنع شنو ما يتم تفكير فرصات او تجهيز المجموعه الدارسين.
Okay, very good question. طبعا it is very important for us to reach as many people as possible with the little that we have. So the idea is to reach as many people as we can with as little effort as we have. We chose to go to Gongmachar because the way we've divided our work, the work is big, but we have divided it into manageable sizes, and we do counties. We are targeting all the counties of South Sudan, and now we were in Awil North. Next time we'll go to Awil South, we'll go to Awil East. We are looking at places where there has been no activities. So that is to answer your first question, why did we go to Gongmachar and why not in the Awil Center? The next program might be in the Awil Center. Secondly, we choose not to engage public altogether. We chose, like for example, on the first day, we talked directly with the representative of women and girls as representative of vulnerable population. And then on the second day, we had representatives from the religious sectors. We have the women group, we have the law group. So these are people. These are training of trainers. These are people that we are giving our message based on the sensitivity of the topic, and it is the same people to go and disseminate it everywhere. So we are trying to reach as many people as possible, but we start small. But we are not going to stop at that one. There will be other topics that will need us to go to the grounds and talk on the microphone and talk to everybody. We have different programs like condomization programs where we go to schools and talk to kids and distribute things that they need to protect themselves against HIV. So the whole idea is to reach people, but this is just the first step. We have many other steps, and with your support and with the support of the state government and with the support of the national government, we will be able to do more than this. So ashan baja kwanye to monjang ustaz tie lawe lung kita ter pangan kita ter kontin getongan lakin ko ji ke toping on the ground tin wo Ministry of Health ko won te ci wo policy lu enacted ka ke le lu enforce pin okay londa na ci jala yokoto ke yin ko ban ko ke yin bukting bi nanang yin jun to ke yin ka ci nye ci ni bugi lu referral to other services beya ki mataten madinga wulten kuna lor wilayat ko gi anang mobile testing centers chat so da yok te got ko VCT voluntary counseling and testing ke yen kara lor tin ku charo datam information do confidential atira nang hak mo buglet ku dun te yok whether positive and negative atira atin doctor nang hak bele grandet ken e maluma tini ku batin ko bingal te ben ku du loy te ne luan du kana
أهلا سعيدين سيدة جاستن رئيس مكتبية حركة SCP جنوب السودان، وأنا سعيد جدا يعني ألتقي بهذه السامحة، ونتمنى يعني تجينا راجع مرة ثانية، وبعد ما تجينا قبل ما تجينا من هنا رسالتك شنو لشعب ولاية شمال بصفة
Northern Barkhazal
بصفة خاصة وجنوب السودان بصفة عامة.
Northern Barkhazal is a beautiful country, full of beautiful cultures, full of resilient population. My advice is the same way we face hunger, the same way we face disease, the same way we faced our enemies, is the same way we should face this disease, with the same resilience, the same boldness. This is what we need to do. Let's be hopeful. This disease, we are going to control it. The same information goes to the rest of South Sudan, that we are starting small. We've started in Northern Barkhazal during my time, and for me, the least I identify myself with is South Sudan as a country. So the whole South Sudan is my land. My next place, I'm looking forward to meeting the rest of South Sudanese and to have an open discussion. Let's discuss HIV. It's no longer a taboo. Let's put it on the table and talk about it.
شكرا جزيلا كان معنا في خلف الكاميرا باقر عليه ونحن شكرا السيد جاسم رئيس مقودة شؤون الاف سي بي شكرا جزيلا.
Thank you so much, my brother. Nice to meet you. When we see we coach Kudni, Bakale coach. Taban o Lunda Adit, Panachol Sudan Adit a pay. For some Kubuk Panchol Sudan, Kubuk Tong Ibn, Ella Kubuk Luanda, take it. So took that, take it into counties. So Wagala booking county no people count it. We enjoy with it. Runwar, Benyaton, and Ping Chikan, one joke, Killa Willis. So Melaka Jaldong, I will north, I will south, to the Will Center. So we go again to Benton, Ogman to maintain Benton non counties, and you ended till a Euro, and I'll go kill a people, and I'll go kill our own country. So can we have a book looking tongue, take you can go about Ben, other counties. Topic can about a topic when I call PUK, I call you love because of Jabal, yet, and they work quite a go open. A culture of a trunk in here, a dear, who can near the dear. Bukma shakil ken khas kan ka yok kan ka loy bi de at risk san bi ko ñun bi ko yok ka jami ka ci ke ñit jot bele ya la bu dom riel ka ci ke ci kan ci jaar joaj won ki do loy na zamu qur'an ki la geew ko ci ngi jot wañ ko bi ko lepp jaar ke ka ci ko won ne ne mit no ba ko la met ket wer shari ci ko na ci na ka ci kan na ya bar ka ci randu ni gel no ko ka ako yun ko ngit kato anong high risk san ko bigtuan so kana topic kan ko ke pat ke pie ada ko ka anong hak ako police asalatin ban shabab because wo ke ci bay nom law ko ku le kanong ko be ngot jor ka jor kan bentin na bentin wo so na le kurot wo kan wo kanong bangdan de jor ke de tum ke de because jor wo ke jor ka etwan chalo ngot la twing. So ka ke ko ko lo targeted bi kadang bi jalo lo disseminate ada kanang long ral ne long ter kato a che ogel ban bay lakini kujen ada kanang long diarti kanang long miti kanang mit long adwen ti all the vulnerable population kan gulu Sudan a chiran tin hak chiran tin so in ki wo kwanja marajai wa ben wil wa ba la malenga net wa bla won ko bi we na sa ku ben jamit en ko en wo ko jam ko maslan te wo te jamu ko about prevention wala bugla madarisi ko tekko kawon ke la bi mit bi ke rodati bu ko tek mit ko jemu ko nim bi ke ga lo use kada so kaka aya depending ke topic aya depending ke ngu ko lo ko nanga ko go la rawadi ya radio wo jam ko ko do to ti wel ben kam ko this article de lon e wo jam ko sharp marada na awrad le ko lo print ko ke so gi so de la jot de la ko jam ko na ikan technical ci ko bi o kan ganun en fi ka ko won ke ganun za to loy implemented at ko specifically that le ko
دكتور ياسر هاي ما في اهداف في مراكز
specifically in Awil, not yet.
لا في جنوب السودان.
في جنوب السودان we have طبعا the issue is just like I said, the work is big and we had to start from somewhere. In the last couple of years there was aggressive campaigns and initiatives done in places like Eastern Equatoria, Western Equatoria, places like Girol, places like Bor. And in those places, we've managed to open centers for testing and centers for teaching. During my time, I just started this May, and this is my first goal. So my goal now is to pick up from where the last chairperson went and extend it. So we're planning to extend those teaching centers, not just to the Payam headquarters, but even outside to places where young people stay, to the basketball field. We will have counseling centers, and we will have testing centers. These are going to be mobile, voluntary counseling and testing centers. So we're planning to do VCTs. So this is something, during my time, this is one of my objectives. I'm planning to be doing that. So if people get tested. Get tested, because you are the future of this country. And being tested is not the end of the world. Being tested, whether you are positive or negative, it does not change anything for you. but being tested is your obligation to the nation. It's a civil responsibility. It's a civic responsibility as well. So please get tested, know your status, and whatever the results, we stand with you. If you are negative, we will teach you how to stay negative. If you are positive, we will teach you how to stay positive. So this is your responsibility to the society.
طيب برضه للشابات
For the female, it's the same thing. HIV is a disease that does not discriminate based on gender, age, or it is a disease that does the same thing. So let's be proactive on managing our health. Let's not be reactive. Let's not wait for the disease to happen and then we see what to do. Let's manage our country. This is our country. We have a responsibility towards building a healthy South Sudan. So when I get here, I'm going to well long do. Kin ring ti jala nyirti. Alwela choro de tam. Lor bi tem jalam aki da kujrot ki choro de tam nya sawa. Erin na choro jal ngi. Whether to kayin wala liu kayin. Majority of the people taban ko jut aliu ke. Lakin ko erin liu to ke ake wuju ke. Achin ki war perdu. Ki war yin e nyuata de yin ran tek bai kuin tek rot. Because the chiro jal ngi kay tuan kia. Kanong del gun bin jal ban bun pierdu war it ku tin nyot dong tin bun pierdu war ko ba cheng chum ko ko ba cheng ke ba pierdu ba tap to ngena che to ko ban no ke mo lakin ay dok to kujirot ting akina tingrot ke inji ko padlu yandu ko inji ko padlu ba pando cho jin
طيب رسالتك شنو للناس الكبار؟ النساء مثلا
koydit ake koydit discrimination salatin ko war kwa ko kaka ake koy nong tedit wet ken nong discrimination ko lela tiktok ake koy koydet te kujin tongen jorot koy ni den mo fodi ral commission ral fi wilden anong awrak anong papers anong latest scientific update on this disease is available. Familiarize yourself with it. Duran man with twenty. You met kucheng with 20. It's not acceptable. Long atatin, long kaki, longan. Apat bikoy pandit ni kutwengen aja twenty tekto. Puja andit ko punya. Anybody can get infected. Alam ko never liap. Ay okay. Lakin nijinom te chogin liap kajinki ara. Ingo dia menkaida, we still look after you.
دكتور جاسم طبعا دي رسالة طيب عشان المجتمع يعرف الفحوصات هيكون وين؟
Alright, so currently the testing in a will specifically is done by the Ministry of Health. The HIV Commission, just to put it in your perspective, is an oversight. We are not implementers. Our work is to create policies, the national policies for testing and fight against HIV/AIDS. This is what we do. Our other work is sensitization of the community and show them the right direction of where to go for their services. We do not have doctors to test people. We direct you to the right place, which is the Ministry of Health, which is the hospital, the various hospitals around the country. We direct you to go to voluntary counseling and testing centers, like for those people living in Eastern Equatoria and Western Equatoria where these things are available. So here in Awil specifically, it is being done by Awil Civil Hospital, and there is a whole department for HIV/AIDS. Once you are found positive, our work as HIV/AIDS Commission is to guide you after that, to protect your right and to stand by you. We also, not only people living with HIV and people living without HIV/AIDS, we also have a responsibility to them to protect them and to educate them not to get the disease. So, wo for the